If you're looking for an iconic living, then your search ends here. Hello everyone, Tanvi Saluja this side from Aura Excellente. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are at Balewadi and at a new project that is the Canary. It's by Kunal Group, and Kunal Group has a 32 years of legacy and 5,000 iconic living space has been delivered and in making more. So let's talk about the connectivity of this project. The main USP of this project is three-way connectivity, and you will get all necessary things like healthcare, educational hub, metro station, and the main thing is Mumbai-Pune highway is within a 1.5 kilometer. So now we'll move towards this model. Basically, we have a 8 acre of land parcel over here with 60% open space, and 1 acre is dedicated to amenities only, and with a 30-story building with 8 towers. Right now, we have already sold 5 towers over here, and there is a 4 apartments per floor with a east-west facing. Now we'll move towards the elevation of this project. So we have a 4 level of parking and 30 plus amenities are spreaded over here like children's play area, gymnasium, swimming pool, basketball court, garden area. Let's move toward this sample flat of a 3 BHK with a carpet of 1109 square feet. Let's see. So on the main door, you're getting a digital lock over here, and in the living room, you're getting a home automation as well. Look at this spacious living area, and you can see there is a 6-seater sofa table over here. You can also plan like this. You are getting an attached balcony over here. As you can see, the balcony size is so huge. So you can plan a mini garden over here with a sit out area and with a good view. Now let's move toward the dining area. So as you can see, there is a 6-seater dining table, but there is a huge space and you can also plan a 8-seater as well. So come towards the kitchen. Now this is the main part of the house. So you're getting a L-shaped platform in the kitchen, and you're getting a dedicated space for the fridge over here. As you're getting an attached dry balcony with the kitchen and with the sink for the utensils. And here is a dedicated space for the washing machine. All the sizes are given below on the screen. So on the opposite side of the dining area, you're getting your first room. So you can plan a study room as well like this, or your kids room. And here you're getting a full length window over here. Here is a common washroom with the sanitary fittings. So here's your second bedroom with attached washroom. And yes, again you're getting a big size balcony over here. So direct from your bed, you can easily enjoy your view with a cup of tea or coffee. So here is the main highlight of this house. That is a master bedroom. So you can easily see after putting this big bed over here with the TV unit, with the walk-in wardrobe, still you're getting a big space to walk. And here is your attached washroom with all the sanitary fittings. And on my left hand side, you're getting a full length window. Hope you like this sample flat. And now I'm waiting for your call, for your queries, or for the site visit. For the 3 BHK, the prices are starting from 1.69 CR. To book a site visit, you can contact on the given below number, and please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.